We're gonna learn how you can add the Claude Marketplace plugins repository. Once you add the Marketplace repository, you'll be able to get lots of plugins on the repository. So to add the Claude Marketplace plugin repository, go to Customize from the left on Claude. Inside the Personal Plugin section, click on plus, go to Add, and then go to Add Marketplace. There are two options here, browse the Anthropic sources, and you can just add from repository. That's the custom repository. Choose the second one, and you're gonna just import the repository URL. It clearly mentions here, so we're gonna have to search the GitHub. So launch your browser. You can simply do a Google search for Claude plugins GitHub, and you're gonna have to find the repository. Let's just put here Claude awesome plugins. I'll be using this one for demonstration from Composio SQ. Click this. You have got this entire repository of plugins. Go to URL box at the top and copy this repository URL. Copy and then go to Claude. Now you're gonna paste the URL here. Paste and go to use. Now just click on sync. And then the repository gets added. You can browse to all the plugins contained in the repository and then install anyone you like. Yes, just like that, it's been added. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.